that noise? Korea Republic fans.
Shades of the drama and excitement that followed this team 20 years ago when they ended up finishing 4th in the World Cup. This is going to be, if they can hang on, and if the result goes their way in the other game, this is going to be one of those famous occasions to be remembered for generations for Korean Republic football fans, but they're not there yet. Dallo tries to sneak in behind the defence. Goal kick, they'll take their time.
And let's not forget, the other game is quite a few minutes behind this one, so they're going to finish this and hope that that result goes their way. Times his run to absolute perfection. The through ball from Son is delightful. The finish even better. The joy on those Korean Republic fans' faces. The noise inside this stadium. Absolutely sensational story.
The World Cup delivers in spades. Last 90 seconds or so of added time as Andre Silva tries to burst through. It's into the gloves of Kim Sung-Yoon.
Heading through on goal scorer. Just can't write this script.
But it won't be over on the final whistle for those fans and for the players and officials of Korea Republic. They will have to wait because Uruguay could still spoil their party, and Uruguay will know what they have to do, and they will have several minutes in which to try to do it. They are currently in the 89th minute in the other match. It's had its moments this World Cup, hasn't it?
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, honestly. It just keeps on giving.
And who would have thought we would be sitting here now with Korea Republic winning 2-1 when you consider they conceded a goal inside the first 5 minutes of the game? Portugal taking the lead, but they haven't built on that. Those fans was unequivocal throughout the 90 minutes. Are they about to get what they came for, what they hoped for, what they dared to dream for? But for a long time, didn't look like they were going to get. Wang Hee-chan sends it forward. Still time perhaps for a last chance. Kim Jin-soo intercepts. Son Heung-min has it. But if he's wise, he'll head over towards the far side and try and keep it as far away from the goal as possible.
Lands the whistle.
He was just been told to get the mask back on. The mask came off then for Son for a moment. He was urging the fans to give them one last from the stands here in Education City. What a match, what an occasion, what a finale. Time in the other match between Ghana and Uruguay. Uruguay 2-0 leaders, 8 minutes of stoppage time in there. Portugal on the day, Portugal already through to the round of 16. Korea Republic celebrate a famous win, just as they did against Germany 4 years ago. That win didn't make any difference. That goal tonight might make all the difference, but they've got 7 or 8 minutes to wait to find out.
Sensational, absolutely sensational. A goal behind early in a game that they had to win. What character, what a team, a real collective effort. He's had a difficult World Cup, Son. He hasn't been at the levels that we expect or his team expects. But in a crucial moment, in a really crucial moment, he found the composure to pick out Wang Hee-chan. It saw Korea Republic take the lead late on in the game.
Well, it didn't quite work out for Cristiano on the day. Cristiano Ronaldo substituted during the second half. He could only watch on as his team failed to secure a win and indeed failed to take a point.